Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 First Keyword Transformations, exercise number FCE023. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, how long have you had your new car? The keyword is get. And the second sentence is, when blank your new car. The correct answer is, when did you get your new car? The transformation uses the past simple tense to indicate the time when the action happened. Did you get changes the question from present perfect to past simple while maintaining the original meaning. Another example would be, when did Catherine buy her new house? Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is this your first time driving a Volvo? The keyword is ever. And the second sentence is, have blank before? The correct answer is, have you ever driven a Volvo before? This transformation uses the present perfect tense to ask about past experience. Have you ever driven a Volvo keeps the original meaning of, is this your first time? Another example would be, have you ever visited France before? Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, leave the shop or I will call the police. The keyword is unless, and the second sentence is, I'll call the police blank. The correct answer is, I'll call the police unless you leave the shop. The transformation uses unless to indicate a condition that must be met to avoid a certain outcome. Unless you leave the shop maintains the original meaning of leave the shop or. Another example would be, you won't succeed unless you try hard. Here's question 4. The original sentence is, I would like to be able to speak Arabic. The keyword is could. And the second sentence is, I wish blank. The correct answer is, I wish I could speak Arabic. This transformation uses wish to express a desire for an ability. I could speak Arabic keeps the original meaning of I would like to be able to. Another example would be, I wish I could play the piano better. On to question 5. The original sentence is, the Lord of Brecon built this castle in 1286. The keyword is by, and the second sentence is, this castle blank of Brecon in 1286. The correct answer is, this castle was built by the Lord of Brecon in 1286. This transformation uses the passive voice to indicate who performed the action. Was built by the Lord of Brecon maintains the original meaning of the Lord of Brecon built. Another example would be, the bridge was constructed by the Romans. Question 6. The original sentence is, our teachers never let us leave the school. The keyword is to. And the second sentence is, we were not blank by our teachers. The correct answer is, we were not allowed to leave the school by our teachers. This transformation changes the sentence to the passive voice to indicate permission. Allowed to keeps the original meaning of never let us. Another example would be, we were not allowed to enter the room. Question 7. The original sentence is, I graduated from college a year ago today. The keyword is time, and the second sentence is, I graduated from college blank year. The correct answer is, I graduated from college this time last year. This transformation uses a time expression to indicate the specific point in time. This time last year maintains the original meaning of a year ago today. Another example would be, I moved here this time last year. We could also say at this time last year, but this time last year is more commonly used. And now the last one, question 8. The original sentence is, I couldn't reach the shelf. It was too high. The keyword is to, and the second sentence is, the shelf blank. The correct answer is, the shelf was too high to reach. This transformation uses the structure to indicate an inability due to an excessive quality. Too high to reach keeps the original meaning of I couldn't reach. Another example would be the bag was too heavy to carry. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.